Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the session. So today we're going to discuss and deliberate upon a very important reaction. It's called as Troll's process. Here we see there's chlorobenzene, and from chlorobenzene we are obtaining phenol. So this is the starting material that we have, and eventually we are supposed to obtain phenol from chlorobenzene. Now the question is, why on earth this reaction to get phenol from chlorobenzene, it refuses to undergo a reaction that we would expect, and when it is subjected to higher temperature and then diluted or concentrated NaOH is added, aqueous NaOH, then there becomes possibility of obtaining phenol. What if this alkyl chloralkene, say for example we have RCl, and the condition is then we are adding NaOH, तो ये रिप्लेस होगा, ठीक है, हमें मिल जाएगा अल्कोहल. We're getting this, and Cl has been replaced or substituted by OH. Ultimately यहाँ पे भी क्लोरीन को ही रिप्लेस करना है, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. Then we would have expected, यहाँ पे क्लोरीन है, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, ये रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, आसानी से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, NaOH डालेंगे तो हमें फिनोल बनेगा. But does it happen this way? ये तो हो जाएगी, क्या ये रिएक्शन होती है? It doesn't happen this way. Let's find out why. You see, there's a bond between carbon and chlorine, and this bond refuses to undergo a reaction we expect. We have to do something else in order to make this happen and finally get involved phenol. Let's find out what. This is the starting material that we have. It's chlorobenzene. Now you see, chlorine is attached or connected to carbon. Fine. What kind of carbon is this? This is the carbon. One bond with chlorine, another with another carbon, two bonds with another carbon. So it is sp2 hybridized carbon. Remember this. sp2 hybridized carbon. Earlier in this case, when Cl was easily substituted by OH and we could obtain alcohol, in that case carbon was sp3. तो लेकिन यहाँ पे it's paraffin, यहाँ पे carbon की hybridization sp3 नहीं है, it's planar, इसकी hybridization sp2 है. So if you could see, there are lone pairs, तीन लोन पेयर्स है क्लोरीन के पास. ओके, एंड इट हैज प्लस आर इफेक्ट. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगी, देयर विल बी कंजुगेशन. देयर विल बी व्हाट? कंजुगेशन. नाउ दिस इज नॉट द नॉर्मल बॉन्ड कार्बन एंड क्लोरीन, because you were thinking, anticipating of breaking this bond. आप इस बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करना चाहे कि कार्बन और क्लोरीन का जो बॉन्ड है इसको मुझे तोड़ना है, उसके बदले मुझे OH लाना है, फिनोल बनेगा. But is it that easy? Is it that easy to break this bond, carbon and chlorine? नहीं. क्यों? Because there is conjugation. This lone pair is getting involved. Because there is delocalization of electrons. अब ये single bond, normal bond नहीं रहा. There is now partial double bond character. So it attains partial double bond character. Therefore, we know for a reason, for a fact, इस bond को break करना बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very difficult to break this bond now because it's more in resonance. There is conjugation happening. Okay. अब होगा क्या? It's like इस वाले केस में there was no conjugation, there was no resonance, there was no partial double bond character, so it was easy. इस chlorine को substitute किया गया OH में, OH substituted Cl. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं हो सका. It's like there's a door in the building or in a room which is connected with a wall or a pillar with one hinge. ठीक? उसमें एक hinge लगा, उसको तोड़ना आराम से तोड़ सकते हैं. लेकिन what if there's a door in the room which is welded into the building? उसके बहुत सारे hinges लगे हैं. Sort of welded into the building. उसको तोड़ना, उसको break करना, that's very difficult. Same happens here. इसको हम directly नहीं तोड़ सकते. होगा क्या? अब हमने डाला NaOH, aqueous NaOH. It's a base. It will generate Na positive and OH negative. So OH negative is a base. Now, the point to remember here is, अब ये OH negative है, it has two personalities. It has, this OH has how many personalities? Two personalities. It acts as a base and it acts as a nucleophile. हम वो देखेंगे. पहले तो मैं ये expect कर सकता था, what if I make this compound or molecule to undergo SN2 reaction? Suppose, let's see whether SN2 reaction will occur in this case or not. SN2 के लिए क्या है? इसको निकलना पड़ेगा simultaneously और rear end से या back end से OH negative आ जाएगा. So once it comes, it will leave. But you understand and you know ये जो carbon है, this sp2 hybridizer is part of the ring. It's deep inside in the aromatic ring. तो वहां से this is the key inside. आप OH negative को लाओगे कहां से? आपको इस कार्बन पे अटैक करवाना है OH से, लेकिन SN2 आप करवाना चाह रहे हो, so back attack आ जाएगा. There will be a backside attack, rear attack. लेकिन कैसे? It's part of the ring. It's deep inside the aromatic ring. So that is not possible. तो SN2 possible नहीं है. SN2 में आप say for example इसको निकालते हैं, यहाँ से OH लगाते हैं, तो that's not possible. ये part of the ring है. So that's not going to happen. So SN2 doesn't occur. Now let's think of another trajectory or another channel or another mode which is SN1. Which is SN1. SN1 में क्या होगा? पहले लीविंग ग्रुप निकलेगा, यानी क्लोरीन निकला, सपोज ये निकला, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा. So what will be formed? It will be a phenyl carbocation. It will be this phenyl carbocation. So phenyl carbocation cannot survive. You are doing it at the expense of aromaticity. Remember this. ये जो आप pi bond देख रहे हैं, ये aromaticity देख रहे हैं. It's not the decoration of benzene. So aromaticity, it is not the decoration of benzene. It is the molecules energetic insurance policy. So it cannot afford, once you are trying to make it happen this way through the channel of SN1, that means what will be getting created? It will be phenyl carbocation, there will be positive charge at this. So will phenyl carbocation survive? No, it cannot, because it's happening at the expense of aromaticity, and that is conceptually and technically not possible. So again, SN1 की जो channel है, that's blocked. So the channel, couple of channels, couple of trajectories. One was SN2, because you have to make sure that HO comes from the rear end, it comes from the back end. which was not possible because C is a part of the ring, aromatic ring. So that was the key inside. That was not going to happen. That will not happen. So SN2 is blocked. That trajectory is blocked. Now SN1. Now SN1. And again it's also blocked because you cannot afford, or at least this molecule cannot afford to become phenyl carbocation, because nothing can happen at the expense of losing or breaking its aromaticity. So phenyl carbocation is formed, which it cannot afford. तो हमारी दोनों ट्रैजेक्टरीज खत्म. SN1 की ट्रैजेक्टरी भी खत्म, SN1 की ट्रैजेक्टरी भी खत्म. न SN2 पॉसिबल है, न SN1 पॉसिबल है. Now this molecule adopts a third strategy. And what is that third strategy? The third strategy is Benzene mechanism. Now there will be formation of benzene, because we have seen both trajectories have been blocked. A third strategy is adopted and applied by this molecule chlorobenzene, so there will be formation of benzene. Now, what will this OH negative do? I told you it has two personalities. Number one personality is it will act as a base. It will act as a base. So number two personality is it will act as a nucleophile. So here in this case, let me draw it again here. So it is Cl. You know there is hydrogen attached with this carbon also, because there are hydrogens attached to every carbon. So this becomes an acidic hydrogen because chlorine is electronegative element, so it will be drawing or pulling electron density towards itself. Therefore, this becomes acid. तो वो OH नेगेटिव क्या काम करेगा? वो OH नेगेटिव इसी को अटैक करेगा. किसको अटैक किया? इस H को, which is acidic in nature. So OH negative has attacked this acidic hydrogen. And here, the personality that is being displayed by OH negative, it acts as a base. It acts as a, इसमें पानी है? It acts as a base. Now it has attacked this acidic hydrogen. Fine. इसको अटैक किया, अपने साथ लिया, और ये जो बॉन्ड है यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. मैं इसको ब्रेक कर रहा हूँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप. बनेगा क्या? बनेगा क्या? Focus on this. ऐसे यहाँ पे Cl है, यहाँ पे negative charge है. Now this negative charge will come over here and Cl is removed. Now this is very, very important. This is something very important. अब यहाँ पे ये जो बना, play. So I am saying that now this negative charge has come over here and it became easy for chlorine to leave. बनेगा क्या? Now this is what I was talking about. यहाँ पे ये there is formation of benzene. और ये चला गया, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया क्योंकि क्लोरीन चला गया. यहाँ पे now the benzene has been formed. Benzene has been, so this is benzene. तभी मैंने कहा था ना पहली स्ट्रेटेजी काम किया SN2 because that was blocked. ना SN1 ने काम किया, ना उस चैनल के थ्रू हम अप्रोच कर सके. There was third strategy which was the formation of benzene. क्या वैसे ही रहेगा? Ultimately we have to reach to where? To obtain phenol. That's our primary goal. इसमें होगा क्या? ये जो benzene है, and textbooks write कि ये unusual है, because this molecule is very strange. It is very strange. Why? Because in case of benzene, अगर आप उसमें देखेंगे, all carbon atoms they are far from each other. एक proper एक space है. Imagine this way कि there's a group of 6 people, 6 dancers. They are apart from each other, say by an angle of 120 degree.
एक बराबर एक प्रॉपर एक रिंग में, तो वो एक दूसरे से दूर है and they're dancing, they're performing. But what if among those 6 dancers, 2 dancers come up, friend, they are just opposite to each other, or 180 degree पे आ गए. That means it breaks the rhythm of rest of the dancers. The entire group becomes strained, becomes stressed out, and that's exactly what happens. ये आपस में comfortable थे, but this is not a comfortable position. Benzene is very reactive. So it's very strained, it's very reactive, and this, it has broken and dilapidated the rhythm of the structure, so it needs to be removed somehow. Fine? Now, जहां तक जब हम आगे बेंजाइन बना, इसके बाद होगा क्या? And then there is, you see, obviously there's aqueous and AOH. यहाँ पे O negative है, तो ये आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Because क्लोरीन वहां से निकला था, तो बना क्या? ओके, तो ये आ गया यहाँ पे, ये इधर चला गया. ओके, सो इट्स हियर, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज, यहाँ पे OH. यहाँ पे क्या? So OH has been formed. Fine? Okay. अब यहां तक हम चले गए. Now you see, क्लोरीन था, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज था, यहां पे बेंजीन बना, and chlorine has been removed. And this is first part of the discussion. Second part में there are just couple of steps away now. उसमें अपना एक description हम देंगे. A different and separate lecture will be recorded. This is part 1 and part 2 will be inshallah recorded in couple of days. जहां पे हम discuss करेंगे. अब इस step से होगा क्या to finally attain female. I hope you have understood it. And if there are any questions, any queries, any doubts that are cropping up in your heads, you may please ask those questions. Don't be hesitant in asking those questions to me. See you inshallah in some other session, the part 2 of it. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.